What's up, everybody? So, I was at Barnes & Noble the other day, and I went over to the technology section because I'm a nerd, right? I saw this book. It's called Microbit for Mad Scientists, 30 Clever Coding Projects and Coding and Electronic Projects for Kids. I was like, oh, cool. Maybe this will be a cool way to get my kids interested in, programming, hacking, IT type stuff. So I bought it, and then I didn't realize you had to separately, of course, buy this thing called the Microbit. So I bought that. It's similar to a Raspberry Pi. I'll show you it here in a sec. It's just a small, baseboard computer. It has some inputs and outputs. They have some different coding project examples. Like for the first one, kind of that we're doing right now is, can you get your name to flash across the little LED screen? And I'll show you that in a sec. Yeah, your hand needs to get a little bigger, huh, bud? Cramping up. So it's kind of cool. Right now, Amelia wasn't as interested in it, but she's a little young. Jackson is, he's digging it right now, so I think that's awesome. I'll show you so Microsoft makes this language specifically for the Microbit called MakeCode, where it's kind of teaches kids, block style coding with forever loops and kind of the design of instructions where it's kind of, I remember back in the day I did Scratch. I learned about Scratch in high school and how it was meant for kids, and I think Scratch is still around, but this reminds me of Scratch where it's kind of drag and drop. Anyway, so I think it's cool that he thinks it's cool. It really is what it is. So is your hand hurt? I can help, bud. So anyways, I'm gonna cut the video here, and then I'll kind of show you what we're doing here for our first. So here's Jackson. This is the MakeCode instruction block here. So right now he has some show LEDs where he gets to program the 5x5 LED on what he wants to show up, and then it's in a forever loop. So it's just looping through his name here. So he's spelling Jackson. So it's gonna flash through. It shows you on the screen here. It shows you a preview of what it's going to look like on the Microbit, so you get to kind of see what that looks like. There's a whole list of different instructions you can give it: logic, extensions, math, blah blah blah. Right now we're just on the basic show LED, so he's building his name right now. And then over here, this is the actual Microbit. It's pretty small, has a little battery pack, and then this cable is just for programming it. All you do is when you download your file here, when you're done programming, you download it. It goes to your downloads folder. You drag it over here to the Microbit. Once it, the USB, you finished it. Okay, now hit the download button.
Where's download?
See over there on the left? So hit download. Click that. You can rename it too if you want. You want to rename it? Yeah. No? Okay, see this giant download button, bud?
I can't hit it.
Oh, then you got to pick up your mouse. There you go. Sorry, the cameraman's got distracted. All right, did it download? Did you click it?
Yeah, I clicked it.
10:30. No, you click. Yeah, let me help, bud. So we'll click download. Okay, so we say done. We'll take this updated flashing heart one. Because it's the same name, but it's the newer time. We'll drag it over here. So that'll start transferring, and then we can watch it. It's being programmed here. So as soon as it's done.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Oh, it's done? And look, Jackson. So now it's looping through Jackson's name. It's pretty cool.
You want to go see Amelia?
So what we're gonna to safely remove it, we're gonna right click and say eject. So now we can safely remove it. He's so excited. Here you go, bud. Jackson. You can show Mom and Amelia. Just be careful.
Jackson.